Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video let's talk about the GCam for the Moto One Fusion Plus. So we have been getting a lot of queries on how good the GCam experience is on the Moto One Fusion Plus. So we already done a camera review of the Moto One Fusion Plus, mentioned that the camera is pretty good color reproduction, and one of the really good aspects about the Moto One Fusion Plus has to be the camera. So this device comes with a 64 megapixel quad camera. It's a Samsung's GW1 sensor, 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, a 5 megapixel macro sensor, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. Now you also get a pop-up selfie camera on this device. Is a 16 megapixel selfie camera. Now the default camera app is kind of okay. It's pretty good in fact in terms of the color reproduction, but there are some issues like the edge detection on the portraits were not good. The video recording was kind of over sharpening. So if you could install GCam, whether these issues will be fixed, that's one of the questions many have been asking us. So we tried one of the GCam builds available for this device. In fact, we had to try almost like 10 to 15 builds to get a working build running on the Moto One Fusion Plus. So the link is available in the description of this video, so you can go there and download this version and install it. Now we'll show you some images side by side to see how good the experience is. So here are some of the samples taken with the GCam on the Moto One Fusion Plus alongside the stock camera. So from the images you could see that one of the things what is changed with the GCam is the color reproduction. While the stock camera did have some good color reproduction compared to Poco and Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, the GCam camera still has some much better color reproduction. You can see it's more natural, the sharpness levels have been improved, and overall detailing looks slightly better than the stock camera app on the Moto One Fusion Plus. So if you are taking daylight shots, you could see that the colors are slightly better on the Moto One Fusion Plus using the GCam app. Apart from that, if you look at the close-up shots, we don't see much of a difference here in terms of the close-up shots. Again, colors are slightly off here and there, but still we would say GCam does a pretty good job overall in terms of the close-up shots as well. Now one area where there is an improvement is the edge detection in the portrait shots. Again, with GCam APK, you could see that the edge detection in portraits were pretty good and much better than what the stock camera app offers. So if you're taking more portraits, the GCam APK does better here. Now low light experience, you could see that again the GCam does better here in terms of the overall detailing, but not by a huge margin though. But still you could see that there is definitely a difference with the GCam on the Moto One Fusion Plus. So the low light shots does come better, especially the night mode does come better with the GCam. Now the selfie camera, again this is something which the GCam does really good. You can see that it's more on the natural selfies, skin tones are really good, the sharpness levels are good, and also the edge detection in portrait photos for the selfie camera is also better on the GCam compared to the stock camera. So overall if you look at the selfies, it's definitely good on the GCam. Now video recording is one area where it was kind of tricky. While the video quality definitely looked better, but we couldn't get the stabilization working on the GCam. We had some issues here and it was not working. So GCam video quality is definitely good, but the problem here is that the stabilization was not working. So probably in future build this could be fixed. So that was the GCam shots taken with the Moto One Fusion Plus. So overall we feel GCam does a pretty good job with the Moto One Fusion Plus. Even the stock camera app does a pretty good job, but then if you want a GCam, it does a slightly better overall image quality and especially the video recording as well. Even for the selfie camera, the GCam did a pretty good job overall. So that is the GCam experience on the Moto One Fusion Plus. So if you want to download the GCam, go to the description. We have the link where you can download it and you can install it on your Moto One Fusion Plus. So that's it for this video. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.